Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ring Doorbell notifications using iOS focus modes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Ring app on your iOS device. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the list. In the Settings menu, choose Notifications. Here, you'll see various options for notification types. Toggle on motion alerts if you want to be notified when someone approaches your door. Next, scroll down to audio alerts and make sure it's enabled. Now, exit the Ring app and open the Settings app on your device. Locate and select Focus. Select the focus mode you want to configure for your Ring notifications. Tap People to specify who can contact you during this focus mode. To allow Ring notifications, select Apps and then tap Add App. Search for and choose the Ring app from your list of applications. Once added, make sure notifications are allowed by enabling the toggle. Next, exit back to the main settings menu. Scroll down to Notifications to review your settings for the Ring app. Ensure that all notification styles, sounds, and alerts are set to your preference. Now return to your home screen. Perform a test to ensure notifications come through as expected. Adjust settings as needed based on your preferences. This concludes the tutorial on configuring your Ring Doorbell notifications using iOS focus modes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.